I'm going to be showing you how you can download Netflix on your PC or laptop. By following these steps, you will be able to download Netflix on your PC or laptop. Now, if you are using Windows 10 or if you are using Windows 11, then this is easy and you can easily download it from Microsoft Store. I'm also going to show you how you can download it without Microsoft Store in this video. Now, if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you want to click on search. On Windows 10, you will find search in the left here, search, okay? As you can see, on Windows 11, you will find search here. Windows 10, you will find search here, okay? It's actually the same thing, okay? The place is different, but the same thing. You want to search for Microsoft Store, okay? Okay, you're going to search for Microsoft Store. And after that, this is the app. You want to click on it. And the next thing you want to do, guys, this is like an app where you can download anything you want. You can download any app you want. You can download this here. It's like you have a phone on your laptop. This is it's like App Store or Play Store for Windows. You want to search for Netflix and you will find here Netflix. You want to search for it in the top, and this is Netflix. You just want to click on install, and Netflix will be installed into your PC and you can start using it. Just wait for it to install. It will take a few seconds. As you can see, it's completed, and it says here open. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to, every time you want to use Netflix, you want to go again and search for Netflix, and you will find the app. This is the app. You want to click on it and it will take you directly to your Netflix, and then you can log into your Netflix, okay? Yeah, that's it. Now if you are using if you want to download it without Microsoft Store, then you just want to search for Netflix on Google or like on your Firefox or whatever browser you are using. Log into Firefox, as you can, I'm sorry, not Firefox, Netflix, I'm sorry. And after you are on Netflix account, as you can see, this is Netflix. You want to click on three little dots in the top right, and then you want to click on more tools. You want to click on more tools and then click on create shortcuts, and then you want to click on create, and then you will find the app on your PC. As you can see, it's called Netflix, and then you can start using Netflix on your PC or laptop. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.